everyone. This is me, Nikita Karkar, in front of you all guys, and a very good afternoon to my mentor, Mr. Pandey, who gave me this lovely opportunity so that I can speak here. And thank you so much, guys, to having me here. And I'm very grateful to being a part of this session today because I was just tired a little bit, but now I can feel my energy that yes, now I just want to speak on a very beautiful topic, and the topic is that how to take right decision in our life. So first, we need to just understand about our life that are we capable enough so that we can take decision properly in our life. Because sometimes what happen, we just depends on our elder ones, our family, and give we give our wholes to their ones, right, in their hands. Here I am talking about the family, about our parents, about our sister, brother, or loved ones. It could be anyone in our life. And what we do we give our real key of success to in other hands. And sometimes they take decisions of our life. And it can be good, but it not can be good every time because we can be defeated by their decision or by their own decisions also. But what is my perspective on that, when we take decision by ourselves also, so that we can say to ourselves that yes, this thing is just happened because of me, so that we can regret, so that we can repent of by ourselves also, not to others. So always try to take decision in your life because decision is the only key that where you can maintain, where you can make your whole career. So it's not just about the career, guys, it's about your life, your greatest universe. So basically you just need to think properly, you just need to think appropriately that are you able to take decisions. So yes, like if I talk about myself here, like my personal life, so yes, I am willing to take decision of my life because there is nobody so that I can give them chance to take decision of mine. So this is the reason that I always used to take decisions of mine so that I can repent of myself. But at least I would not say to anybody that you doing this thing to me and you did this thing to me, so that I cannot regret other ones. I don't want to do that things with others because decision is the only thing that where you can make your life very beautiful, make your world very beautiful, wonderful. So always think wisely that what you want to do in your life because it impacts actually and it can refers you very towards vastly like badly. So it can make you very beautiful or it can destroy you like very easily. So decision is the only thing that you can set your goal, set your target towards your world that way you need to work properly, right? So I still remember one thing about Ansari sir. Once he told me that Nikita, if you don't want to do anything kind of job because it seems like that you are not job person, you are not just girl like 10 to 6, right? You are something like that, you can do each and everything in your life. So always think wisely. Yeah, he's suggesting me something, and to be very honest with you guys, it was very amazing quote by him to me. And once Mr. Pandey told me, my mentor, my honorable mentor, he told me that Nikita, it doesn't matter that you will become a cabin crew or not, but always remember that you can you can give birth number of people just by your own. So always try to work on that those things because those things are also very important in your life, and also you can do each and everything. So this is the quotation said by my mentors, and I do really respect of those things because that was not just a decision, but that was just a suggestion who can help you, which can help you in a very appropriate, in a very exact way. So otherwise people are there for you in the world who can just want to destroy you, who can just abhor you. So it always depends on your thinking that what you want to do in your life. And decision is the most powerful thing that you just need to think properly, think wisely, so that you can make your world beautiful, not like whole, like not like hell. So it is again that decision is the real key, real power, and always try to do something by your own self, so that because we are now capable enough, I think, because we are in our mature age, not we are not just a teenage, we are not just a childish one, right? And it is our right to take decision to ourselves, so that we can like we can make our world just like a hell or just like a heaven. It totally depends on us that what decision should be very what kind of decision should be we need to take. So always think wisely before take any kind of decision towards your life, because this is the only reason that you can destroy or you can just make heaven. So in conclusion, I really would like to say that decision is the very beautiful thing. If you are enough capable to take it is if you are enough capable to take in a beautiful way, so that you can make your life very beautiful way, or otherwise you can destroy it. Thank you so much.
Clapping for her.